Join me on this crazy adventure to find food. Upstairs. This is what happens when you get bored. Whoa. How are you, kitty? This is Twitchy. What? Pretty little Twitchy Witchy. Twitching his little tail. Oh, what the heck. So we got laundry going. That is not my purse, by the way. Meow, meow, meow. Let's see if we can find the lights. Meow, meow, meow. Well, keep leading the way. You're a good kitty. Let there be light. Oh. Does anybody know how to fix refrigerators? This is a side-by-side with the little ice maker, and the thing freezes stuff in the fridge, which is why it's totally empty. And as you can see, the fridge part's on off, freezer's in the middle, yet it's still ice cold in here. Because of that, we have to use this stupid mini fridge, and as you can tell, you just can't fit that much stuff in here. I think you become more talkative when you're on the camera. Meow meow. Oh, Twitchy. You're so cute, Twitchy. So I get some healthy frozen food going on here. Biscuit. Or a hungry man. I think we'll go hungry man. Twitchy. Where'd you go, buddy? There you are. Meow. I'm not much for making food, even when there are instructions. Okay, so in about an hour and a half I might have some food. Funny story about this microwave. It still smells like it did the other day. I freaking was making some Easy Mac, which is apparently not so easy to make because I burnt it. I forgot to put the water in. In my defense, I was distracted by my roommate, and that's why I forgot to put the water in there. But it burnt the noodles, and it smelled freaking horrible, and it made the whole upstairs smell, and the microwave still smells like it, which is nasty. Where are you going? Are we going back down there? I don't know what's down there. Let's go see if we can find the other kitty. Yeah. Oh yeah, you're game for that, huh? You're game for that. The cat, you can move, man. I hear noises. Wonder if the other guy's here. You stay inside. Master Chiefy. Let there be light. Piece of crap bike. If anybody wants to get rid of a giant bike, giant brand bike, just let me know. This is the view from outside at night. Meow! Meow! Meow, dang it, meow! Meow! Meow, meow. Gonna follow me up? Yeah. Just tore straight past me. You must be lonely or something. Missing your mama. Look at you, scratch, scratch, scratch. Scratch, scratch, scratch. Mommy's in Vegas. Lonely kitty. I think I should get paid by Mountain Dew. to do this on camera. Lord, say it isn't so. Now this fridge is freezing crap. What the hell? Now what do I do? It's slushy. Slushy Mountain Dew. And this isn't even turned up that high. Hello down there. What am I gonna do? Life is crazy. And then you get a camera and you record yourself with it. Does that make you crazy, or does that make life that much more crazier? Kitty! Whoa! Brave kitty. Check you out. You just jumped up here all cool-like, and I was gonna say cat-like, but that just sounds retarded. Well, I said remove the brownie and set it aside, but I'm eating it. A piece of freaking corn in there. Funny though, it doesn't really ruin the brownie.